Activity 5, Speaking Assignment, English 4. Personal presentation. Good afternoon, tutor and classmate. My name is Liliana Henao. I am 35 years old. I was born in the city of Arauca, department of Arauca. I am a contractor of SENA. I work as an integral professional training instructor. Complete the subject of the master's program in the administration of organization at the prestigious UNAD University. I like to use technology because it has allowed me to reach my graduate studies. I don't like people who abuse the use of technology unnecessarily, considering that they lack culture. I currently live in the city Bogotá, DC, with my husband and my son. Hypothetical situation in the present. Constitutional Court eliminates what for tampons and sanitary towels. On November 15, 2018, the Constitutional Court eliminates the what for tampons and sanitary towels, declaring unimpeachable the what of 5%, a measure that will come into effect from the signing of the judgment. According to the magistrate Gloria Estela Ortiz, who made the decision, these hygiene products are imperishable. They are related to the dignified living condition of women, and the new available technologies still have costs that prevent their access to the entire population. These some products are included in the list of goods exempt from what presented by government in this drug financing law that is processed in the Congress of the Republic. Activities you used to do when you were a child. Visit my grandparents on vacation. When I was a little girl, I liked to visit my grandparents who lived in the coffee axis. They had a farm where coffee was warm. I remember we arrived. My grandparents were happy to see me because I went every year when my school day. My grandmother was much more affectionate than my grandfather. His name Carlos Henao and Ana Maria Cristina Aranda. My grandfather was well known in Montenegro, Quindío, because he sold the best coffee in the region. I remember that when I arrived at my grandfather's farm, I arrived called La Cucha passed by. Is narrow but mixed with stone, and the water is very cold. In itself, the climate in the coffee axis is temperate. Of course, when we batted with my cousins, we could go out dead of cold and hunger. When arriving at the farm, my grandmother we prepared a delicious chocolate with cheese arepas. I remember that I started when my grandparents were until the last day of my vacation, and when I was traveling to Bogotá, I was crying because I didn't want my vacation to end. An anecdote that just opened to a friend. The lottery of my friend. Nicholas is a childhood friend. One day he arrived at 4 in the morning. They knocked on the door of my house to tell me that he had bought a lottery ticket. I was a bit confused about the arrival time, but with my husband, we took care of him because he had taken some drinks. And we were scared that something would happen to him in the street. Interestingly, he told his thought he had a ticket to the Meta Lottery. I remember he told us that the series and winning number had fallen. So he had the winning number. With my husband, we went to check the drafts, and he had the winning number. But Nicholas had not noticed that the ticket of the lottery corresponded to the previous year. I was still in debt. Thank you for your attention.